Hello beauties, welcome to my channel. Today I will be doing bold and dramatic makeup tutorial for this festive season. This look is requested by Achina Mega 13, so shout out to you girl. And without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. First, I'm going to start off by doing eye makeup. I will prime my eyelid by using Wet n Wild concealer first. This concealer is looking little lighter in the camera, but it's totally normal in reality. So yeah, this is how our camera sometimes picks the color. Okay, after that I will set the concealer by using Maybelline compact powder. Now I will apply sellotape near my eyes in an angle to get that perfect wing eyeshadow effect. I'm using Wet n Wild palette first. I'm using this dark brown shade from that and applying this into my crease and blending it all the way towards the inner corners. Next I will apply this misclass pink eyeshadow and place it just below the first eyeshadow and blend it really well. This will give my eyes nice depth and transition. After that I will be applying shimmery black eyeshadow from the Blush Nude palette to the outer V of my eyes. This will help in getting that bold and smoky look. For my eyelid I am applying this golden shimmery shade from the same palette. Next I am lining the upper lash line by using Maybelline gel liner. I am drawing a medium line over there, and if you want more bold look then draw a thick line. Also I am going to tightline my lower waterline by using kohl pencil. Moving on to the face makeup, first I am going to apply Wet n Wild primer, which will smoothen the skin and makes our makeup ready for the foundation. For the foundation I will be using Nykaa Skin Genius foundation. First I am going to dot it all over my face with my fingers and then I will blend it with an oval brush. Recently I am loving oval brush, which blends foundation really well, takes less time and very easy to use, and also it gives me natural looking finish. For the concealer, I will be using LA Pro Girl concealer and applying it under my eyes, bridge of my nose, around my mouth and other usual areas. And again I am blending it really well with a small oval brush. Here I am setting my concealer and foundation and keeping it in place by using Maybelline compact powder. Curling my lashes and applying generous coats of mascara to my both upper and lower lashes by using Maybelline Volume Express mascara. Now I will fill my eyebrows and give them a nice shape by using Maybelline eyebrow pencil. After that I am applying Makeup Revolution pink blush to my cheeks. Highlighting my face and giving that glow to my face by using Makeup Revolution highlighter, highlighting bridge of my nose, highest point of my cheeks, brow bone, inner corners and cupid bow. Lastly I am applying Maybelline nude lipstick to my lips. And that's it, this look is completed. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video then please subscribe to my channel and join my elephant family. I will see you in my next video. Until next time, keep smiling. Bye.